Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Grandpa Mark's Hobbies and a What's in the Box unboxing. Lennis said he was going to send me something, but didn't really tell me what it was. Kind of hinted on it, so I might know what's going on here. But I opened this box up and got this far, and I had to stop, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to show everybody when I pull this thing out. I love this. This is just class right here, man. So let's pull this out, and I got an upside down box. We're going to do this. I still haven't looked. I'm not cheating here. Oh, it is. It's the Bronco kit. I have the other one over here I'm going to do for the 24-hour build. So I'll do this here as soon as I get a chance. Let's pull this down. And how about if I should have left it this way. Let's do an unboxing right now. I have not seen what's in this kit. I did follow his build. And there is a bunch of detail in this. I know that right off the bat. And I know he had a blast with it. That's why I ended up with one myself. So let's see here. It's packed full. This is a Revel. I'm sorry. Skill level 5. And that's all because of the parts count, of course, which is, I'm looking here, number of parts, 137 parts stuffed in this box. So we got glass on I'm going to do this. All right. Now I got a place to put everything, and it kind of works out for me. We got a book for instructions, and I'm talking a book. This it's thick. And they're Revel instructions. I've really never had a problem with them. They give you the parts call-outs, and they make everything big enough to where even my blind behind can see without my visor on. And that looks like it's going to be a pretty stinking cool engine. All right. I'll put the instructions away. The decals were in the instructions. We got the seat pads. We got Ford in black. And we have it in white. Each letter is individual, it looks like. Yep. Colorado. License plates. But I like this, the seat pads. And I like the stripe on that too. I might have to figure out where I'm going to work that in, because that's pretty cool. The hood decal, bronze Bronco. I think those are for the four-wheel drive, the wheels. Nice. Very nice. No gauges. Oh, yeah. We got gauges. Cool. I'm a sucker for having gauge decals. It just makes life so much easier. First bag on top. We're going to just do it that way. Is the chrome bag. So let me open this up without cutting myself or destroying any of the parts. And there's not a whole lot of chrome. Check the bag. It is empty. And that chrome is done nice. You've seen me talk about bright chrome. This is bright chrome, but it's done very well. Look at those bumpers. Should we go new, or should we make this a mudder? You guys tell me. Like I said, it's not going to happen anytime really soon, but I'm looking at all the parts while I'm talking here. The just nicely molded, I mean crisply molded windshield wipers, the open grill, beautiful hubs, very nicely done. In the box, we'll put that, and it's one big bag of parts. And I see something I like already about this kit. I'm going to pull all the parts out. Maybe. Give that back. See, always shake your bag. You might have a loose part in there. We could have lost that. I'm excited here. Oh no, look at this. Seriously. See? But I'm going to move all these out of the way. I love seeing the door cards like that, where you can get in there and really detail them out and then put them in place. Our back window, seat backs. Oh, the hood's got open vents in it. Check that out. Nice. We got our gas brake and clutch. Boy, that's detailed nice. Very, very minimal pin marks on here. We can clean those up real quick and keep going. Nice. Wow. And I just put my 53 in the box over here so I could do this unboxing. Tempting. Real tempting to switch over and just start on. Man, that engine looks good. Separate gas or a separate oil pan. I like that. Our rear with the cover. Nice radiator. Nice detail on the radiator. Shocks look good. The drive shaft. Our front suspension. The secondary drive shaft. Our tie rod. Shocks. Rear end. More shocks. A cool flex fan on there. Nice. Heads. Valve covers. Water pump and belt. Brakes. Starter. Look at how small the starter is. Our dampener. Our suspension. Transfer. This looks like it's for the swing gate for the spare tire. And our shroud. This is clean. I mean, this is like cut and go. I'm not seeing the mold lines are done well here. Very well. Oh, I'm thinking I might be shifting gears. Nice. The only problem I have is with this. Right there, you can see it's got the lettering in there. I'm not it'll sand out. It's in a good spot. It's just why. You could have molded that in here and it would have stayed. But nice frame. Wow, look at how small that distributor is. Oh, geez. It looks like an oil filter. Our springs. Man, oh man. Very nicely done. Everything is so clear. Look at our drive. That's our power steering. Cool. Exhaust looks good. Everything looks great. He said I was going to be excited when I saw this. And man, I am. I really am. Our inner pan, very lightly textured. Nice. Tailgate? Yep. Ford. And you know what? That's Ford backwards, too. So that's the inner. Our jump seat. I'm not sure if those look like mirrors. Our monster dash. Look at it. Looks like the radar out of an A6 Intruder. That's cool. The underside looks great on this. So where are they? Mold pins. The pin marks are under the seats. Thank you very much. We got a couple of them here we can hide so we don't destroy this real fine detail in there. The steering wheel and steering column. Yeah, the old jump seat, the metal jump seat. Jeez. Might as well be in a Conestoga wagon with that. Half a rear end and the other half fell out. Always check the bag. Nice. Really nice. And the intake on there. Carb, eh, not bad. We can do work with it. It's going to be covered up anyhow. Not bad at all. We got our brake drums. Looks like our garden hoses. Look at the mold on that. I hope you can see all that detail in there. Man, I'm going to have a blast with it. This is going to take a half a bottle of panel liner. Oh, man. The seats, very nice. And it's got those decals. Nah, maybe not. I'm not sure yet. It's a long way to get to that anyhow. But very sharp. I'm not sure what those are. If those are armrests or... I don't think that's a mirror. That looks like it might be an armrest. We'll have to see. That's what I love. You get into these and you don't have a clue. Oh, man. Some beefy tires here. I lost my knife. Lenny, I'm pumped. I mean, I'm really pumped. I've never stopped and just took a kit and put it back in the box before. Very nice mutters. These tires look great. They are no-name tires, but they're done well. I mean, these don't even need scuffed up. You can just hit that with pastels and go, baby, go. I'm really debating on whether or not to jump into this right now. I mean, like right now, and start building. The other one's really close to going into paint too. But man, I'm a sucker for a good Bronco. We got front windows up. We can always take that. If you wanted to close these windows or open the window, this is easy just to take your scribe that I buried over here. There it is. It's real easy to just take your scribe and cut along that line on this side of that line, and then you can sand it back to where you don't see anything. But you could have like one of these windows open. Once you cut it off, you could always lower it halfway too and cut it again and have that window cracked. You know, there's all kinds of stuff you can do with that. Headlights look good. Not sure if those are turn signals or tail lights. Not sure. I didn't pay close enough attention to the parts as I was gawking through them. But that glass is going right back in this bag because it is perfect. And now, I'm trying to open it with that. Last but not least, pull out this body. Bronco. I love these. My old boss had one of these. Rich, he drove it around for the whole summer with the top off of it. Check out the detail inside here. This is great. Even the battery's got the holder on it. So we can run the lines. We can do all kinds of stuff. I don't have my visor on. That might be the starter solenoid. We got our water bottle. What looks like it could be a jack. Like I said, make fun of me because I don't have my glasses on and I'm just guessing here. But that looks good. The top has a couple of a couple of pin marks in it, but they can be sanded out real easy. And then let's see how that fits on there. Oh, like a glove. Look at that. Man, that looks great. That looks so cool. And this is screaming for me to paint it sky blue. It is. With the Colorado plates. Yeah, I think I want to go sky blue. Geez, how about if I go box stock with this thing? Except I will light those headlights. But yeah. I've been talking about wanting to go straight box stock, and I think I am. I might not even light it just so I can say it's box stock and take it that way. Cool. Lenny, I don't know what to, I don't even know how to thank you, man. I get excited real easy, but man, I'm telling you, I am really excited over this. This is going to be a blast of a build. I hope everybody likes the Bronco and the unboxing. And give me 5 minutes, and I'm going to start building this thing. So I think the next update you're going to see is this kit getting started. But with that, I will let you go. Like Lenny says, just build it. I'm going to frame this. I'm going to cut this foam out, and we're going to put this in a frame right on the wall here. Just build it. Okay. Hey, I want to thank Gallery for everything they do. I really want to thank Lenny too. Thank you very much. But I want to thank Gallery for everything they do. If you get anything from Gallery, use Grandpa Mark in your coupon code. That'll get you 10% off anything you get. I want to remind everybody that we are doing our first annual breast cancer awareness 24-hour group build, October 11th, 2025, starting at 8 o'clock in the morning Eastern Time. It'll run in conjunction with Bob's Model Works Chris Cortell Annual Cancer Awareness Group Build, which runs from October 1st to October 31st. A link is in the description for that one, so check that out too and sign up for his. Also in the description is a link to the GoFundMe page I set up for the American Cancer Society. We're going to take donations the whole time we're building, and you can start now if you want. But all the proceeds are going to the American Cancer Society, so any help you can give would be greatly appreciated. I want to thank our veterans, first responders, and active duty members. You guys put it out there every single day for us, and I take my hat off for you for that. I want to say hi to Jason, Mike, and Bruce from Automotive Model Car Livecast. They are on every other Thursday night now at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. Check them out. It'll be the most fun you have on YouTube. And again, I want to thank Lenny, and I want to thank everybody that's watching for watching, and all the thumbs up and the kind words and the comments and the subscriptions and all that. This is all for you guys. If there's anything you want to see, you let me know and I'll go for it. But with that, I will let you go. You all have a great night and a better tomorrow. And thank you very much for watching.